In this video, we listed the 5 best dashcams under $100 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. K2 Pro Dashcam. The AZDOME K2 Pro is an advanced 4K dual-lens car dashboard camera designed for enhanced driving safety and convenience. With a powerful 11.3-inch IPS touchscreen, this device supports both CarPlay and Android Auto systems for seamless connectivity and navigation. It features high-resolution recording capabilities with a front camera capturing stunning 3840 by 2160 video and a rear camera at 1920 by 1080, ensuring clarity for license plates and important road signs. The K2 Pro is equipped with a range of specialized features, including GPS tracking, parking monitoring, G-sensor, high-fidelity audio output, and loop cycle recording, all designed to provide comprehensive surveillance of your vehicle. Remarkably, it also includes night vision support, Bluetooth connectivity, and various audio output modes, catering to a modern driving experience. The device is built to withstand various conditions, boasting waterproof and anti-fog features, and is configurable for 24-hour parking monitoring with additional hardwiring. With its user-friendly interface and support for multiple languages, the AZDOME K2 Pro is an essential tool for any vehicle owner, ensuring safety, connectivity, and high-quality recording every time you hit the road. Number 2. AZDOME M300S Dashcam. The AZDOME 4K plus 1080p Dashcam M300S is a high-performance dual-camera system designed for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. It features front camera recording in 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, and a rear camera in FHD 1080p, ensuring detailed footage of road incidents and surroundings. Built-in GPS functionality accurately tracks routes and driving speed, while the 5.8G Wi-Fi enables real-time viewing via the AZDOME app. The device incorporates voice control for hands-free operation, super night vision capabilities with a wide f1.8 aperture, and a wide 170-degree field of view to capture extensive road details. Other notable features include 24-hour parking monitoring with collision detection, loop recording for seamless storage management, and comes with a complimentary 64GB micro SD card for immediate use. Designed for durability and efficiency, this dashcam is a valuable tool for enhancing road safety and capturing essential video evidence during travel. Number 3. VIOFO A119 Dashcam. The VIOFO A119 V3 Dashcam is a high-performance car camera designed for optimal recording quality and enhanced safety features. It boasts a 5MP Sony IMX335 sensor and an f1.6 aperture lens, enabling it to capture stunning 2880x2160p resolution video at up to 60 frames per second, both day and night. Key functionalities include advanced parking mode with buffered recording, GPS tracking for real-time speed and route data, and exceptional night vision capabilities supported by HDR technology. With a 140-degree field of view, the camera effectively minimizes fisheye distortion while maintaining a broad perspective of the road. Additional features include loop recording, motion detection, and support for up to 256GB micro SD cards. The device is built with a supercapacitor for resilience against extreme temperatures, ensuring reliability in various weather conditions. It comes with a 1-year warranty and includes essential accessories for easy installation. Optional components like a GPS mount and corporal lens enhance its functionality, making the A119 V3 an ideal choice for those seeking a dependable and high-quality dashcam. Number 4. LINGDU LD06 Dashcam. The LINGDU LD06 Dashcam is an advanced automobile camera designed to enhance driving safety and provide robust security features. With a remarkable 5K front camera and a 2K rear camera, it captures every detail on the road, ensuring high-quality video recordings. The device is equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to view and download footage directly to their smartphones via the LINGDU app without needing to remove the TF card. It features 24-hour parking surveillance, utilizing a built-in G sensor to automatically record any sudden movements or collisions, while also offering GPS tracking that logs position, speed, and location data, which can all be displayed on video. For added convenience, voice control functionality enables hands-free operation, making it easy to capture images and control recording. With features like loop recording, emergency recording, and a compact design for discrete installation, the LINGDU LD06 Dashcam is an ideal choice for rideshare drivers and anyone looking to improve their driving experience while ensuring peace of mind on the road. Number 5. LINGDU AM100 Car Cam. The LINGDU AM100 4K Dashcam is a state-of-the-art driving companion designed to enhance safety and capture high-quality footage on the road. Featuring an advanced NT98529 chipset and Sony IMX415 sensor, it records in crystal clear 4K Ultra HD resolution, aided by a fast f1.8 aperture and 7 high-transparency lens elements that minimize distortion while providing a 150 degrees field of view. The Dashcam includes built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi for smoother and faster connectivity with the LINGDU app, allowing easy viewing, downloading, and sharing of footage. Additionally, it supports voice control for hands-free operation and has integrated GPS to track location, route, and speed. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, technology, it offers crucial alerts like lane departure warnings, enhancing driving safety. The upgraded Type-C interface ensures improved durability and connection reliability, and the Dashcam supports 24-hour parking monitoring with an additional hardwire kit. A complimentary 64GB TF card is included for immediate use, making the LINGDU AM100 the ideal Dashcam for drivers who prioritize safety and high-quality recording on their journeys.